We're gonna make this bad boy. Can't wait to see it done. Time to season. Our seasonings tonight will be sea salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. Those are the basics, folks. You don't need anything extra. All those rubs and stuff, basically starting with this. Trust me, you'll love it. Okay, I got one side seasoned. I'm going to go with the other side. Again, coarsely ground pepper. I like it. Garlic powder, onion powder, and fine sea salt. So now we're just going to let that sit and come to room temperature before we throw it in our toaster oven set on broil, making sure that we have a drip pan. We don't want any grease on the burners. Folks, let me tell you, my mouth is already watering just thinking about it. Oh, it's starting to look good, y'all. About time to flip it. And a little Janis Joplin going in the background. Yeah, it's starting to smell real good inside this truck. Okay, we flipped it over. Sorry about that glare there. But as you can see now, we're starting to cook side number 2. You shouldn't have to flip your steaks more than once, done properly. The key is to use your nose and use your eyes. Keeping an eye on your cooking will keep you from burning your food. That right there is becoming a thing of beauty, my friends. I think we'll let her go for maybe a minute and a half more. I like a little blood in mine. Are you seeing that sizzle? Seeing those juices bubble up there? Starting to come clear, which means we're just about to the point where we're going to let her rest. And we'll focus on our side. Okay, water's boiling. 3 minutes, and we'll have cooked tortellini. Let's grab a little bit of tortellini. We're only doing one serving at a time because it's just me. Boil back up. And that looks about like a good size, man-size steak. There it is. One foot. And once we get our tortellini cooked, we'll transfer it into our chafing dish. After we've tossed it in our skillet with some of that there Alfredo sauce. For those who've not ever cooked tortellini, they're pretty easy. Boiling water. They sink to the bottom. Once they start floating, they're pretty much done. Now we can see our boil has come back up. And all our tortellini looks a little puffy, and I think we're just about ready to transfer the sauce. Okay, now we've transferred into a skillet here, and we're going to toss it with a little bit of Alfredo sauce. And you don't want much, just enough to cover it. And you want a little bit of heat just to warm it up. I mean, your rotini is hot, but let's, always make sure that everything's nice and coated. And we'll get our spatula in there, and we'll give her a good spin around. There we go. We'll spin around. I'm not going to do anything fancy here because I want my food in my tummy, not on the truck floor. Leave all the fancy stuff for Chef Gordon. There it is. Steak, cowboy cut ribeye, tortellini in Alfredo. Y'all know what time it is now, right? Yeah, time for me to get my food on. Yep, it's good. See you next time.